So I bring in all the wishes and greetings from all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Siva Malla for scoring a topmost rank of 229 in MCH Surgical Group in NEET SS session 2023. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Great.
This is mine.
So, and also thanks for your time of allocating here to share your experiences, and it will be of a great benefit for those students who are watching this video. Now, can we know about your detailed background from where you started till date?
So I've done from my MBBS from Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam, and MBBS and MS in surgery from Lady Harding Medical College, New Delhi. And I've started my preparation for this NEETSS examination since my third year. And Speed is the sole guidance for me. Is the sole. I'm emphasizing that Speed is the only guidance for me for the past in the last 1 year in the preparation of NEETSS and is securing such a good rank.
So did you enjoy learning?
Yes, sir, definitely. I enjoyed your class. I'm a very good admirer of you. Please, I'm not flattering it, but I'm a very good admirer of you in the classes. Actually, since I'm doing a third year post graduation, I couldn't actually attend your live classes, but I used to started my preparation from the recordings actually, and it was a very pleasurable journey. Actually, I felt very sorry that I couldn't interact with you in the live session, but it was a very good journey in the past 1 year.
So yeah, it is with a lot of passion the classes were taken. So line by line.
Yes, I agree with that because I can felt the difference. So actually, I'm also a very good admirer of you and as well as Dr. Basan sir. I used to listen to his classes first because the surgical GI is the most important part in this examination, as well as for both my MS examination as well as this NEETSS. And after that, after my examination, I started listening to your classes, but I can find the difference that and I like your class much more than Basan sir. So don't feel sorry to Basan sir.
No, I mean, all of them are great, dedicated people.
Yes, sir, obviously.
All the faculty have given a lot of time and dedication to this process.
Yes, sir, definitely.
So really nice of great words and good words. Thank you for that. And also, can you tell us what you did for last 1 year to make it up?
I was on part-time. Actually, it is not a full-time preparation. It is only a part-time preparation. My actual preparation for the examination was for about only 1 month. Only 1 month because I used to prepare both for MS examination as well as for this NEETSS. And for the MS examination, I used to take your classes for general surgery and my Basan sir classes for surgical GI, and rest of the classes I used to follow only Bailey and Love. And after the examination, I started my full-blown preparation for NEETSS only upon your classes. I haven't taken any other faculty classes, nor any other apps. I used only your class as a sole guidance. And I used to follow Bailey and 20th edition classes and then the Sabiston part.
And the number of questions you attended to the exam?
So I have attempted 145.
Okay. Maximum number of questions.
Yes, maximum number of questions. Your strategy, I'm following only your strategy. And I have attempted 145 and I think about 120 or around were correct, I think so. So I don't exactly know how many of them.
Very good, very good. Now, you are interested in MCHs?
So I'm interested in MCH neurosurgery.
Neurosurgery. Very good. You will get that very good in place.
Yes, I think probably by God's grace, I think I can get it in GP Pant, or if I couldn't, I will definitely, I'm opting for Nizam's Hyderabad.
Excellent. So what is the message that you want to give to your juniors who are aspiring for MCA Super Speciality?
Okay, sir. First and foremost, sir, I want to thank you because your classes are more important for the exam preparation. And I think Speed should be the only strategy. And I don't think students, my juniors, should waver off from this app and that app. Speed itself is very vast. I don't think one can cover it in a 1 year, I think so. And sticking upon to your Bailey and Love classes as well as Sabiston. And after completing that, then only if one can get adequate time, then follow the rest of it. And revision is the most important part in inspiring a good transfer. If revision is incomplete, I don't think the more syllabus we're trying to cover. But if revision is inadequate, I don't think one can aspire a good rank in this. because it is revision is the key part.
Number of questions you have worked on, number of tests you have given.
Sir, I have given about 16 to 18 grant tests.
And
I used to get majority of them a very good rank of about less than 100. And I thought that I can also secure such rank in the examination, but I don't know what happened, but I secured, okay, a decent good rank, not as I expected. But grant test has to be given because they will tell us how the time has to be managed in the examination. Because though I have given 16 or 17 grant tests, I found out that time management is a difficult part in this examination because the paper is very vast when compared to the previous papers, because it is about 8 to 10 lines of question has to be read. And I think that time management was a difficult part in that. So grant test has to be given because they will teach us how the time management has to be done in the examination.
Very nice. And also because this feedback, because we also travel along with the student, because it's like preparing our own exams actually. In fact, we also got a feeling when the exam got little postponed. We also got a feeling when this exam will come to an end, because it's a lot of stress also in completing also, because in the end I had a lot of questions in transplant and those general surgery I need to complete actually.
Yes, sir.
And so there's a lot of pressure. So it is just traveling along with the student. It's like we giving the exam also. The results also come now. We'll see how our people and our students would have performed, how they would have done it, and what they would have answered. I mean, where we made some resource for them, where they were able to, or did we do justice in their preparation. So a lot of pressure in the back end. It is not just to say something and go.
Obviously, sir, I think that your effort is much more than as I think so, because preparing such a huge number of question bank, preparing the presentation for every class actually, I've seen every video of yours in Sabiston as well as in Willy and Love, and I think that your questioning, your pattern of teaching is very much different compared to other faculty. I think that rest of the faculty will prepare their presentation in such a way as a more of theoretical knowledge. It is more of useful for the person who is preparing for a MS final examination. But your strategy is way much different than that, because I have read each and every line of 20th edition of Bailey and Love, and I have also seen your questions, and you have made your presentation in such a way that not even a single topic is missed, and that questioning pattern is way much different, and that is very important because that will enlighten us about the fallacies, what we think, and what actually is the answer. And I've seen your videos even twice, a few videos where I was weak, and I found out that that is the strategy one has to be adopted while preparing for this examination.
Great words, Doctor. You made my day. And also, what is the time to thank? Whom all you want to thank? They helped you to build your career till date.
So first and foremost, by God's grace, it is the first thing, and my parents who supported me. My mom actually who supported me in this journey for the past 1 month, where I was one of the most toxic person to manage, and my parents and my family members who supported me, and my friends, and I have to obviously have to thank you, because your classes, sir, I'm telling you, because my preparation was only a bit. I mean, it is not up to the mark. I usually prepare my own notes, and based upon the notes, I don't think that I can aspire such a good rank, because I used to make my notes superficially. I don't know about other strategy, but I will make my own notes, since it is my own strategy since my MBBS. And but I don't think that my notes is of sufficient to prepare for this exam, because I think this exam was too unexpected. The paper was not what we have thought, because the previous year papers is too straight, too direct. But this one is what I felt like NEET PG 2020, because it is very much different. I didn't thought that this is going. This is the pattern, and your classes, the Bailey and Lau 20th edition classes were updated in the last 1 month of it. And even at that time, I used to spend half of the time for my revision and rest of the time to cover that videos. And that is the one that has taken to the other part of the river actually. I don't think that I can cross this river without your 20th edition Bailey and Love classes. And hence I want to thank myself for thank you for this good coaching, whatever you want to tell it. I mean, because I don't get words for that. That one helped me to secure a rank and a career which I want to aspire.
Ben, who recommended you to join Speed actually?
My senior, who herself was also a graduate. I think probably she's a rank 1 from last year's. I mean, rank 1 or 3, I don't know exactly. But Dr. Spandana, she's doing her MCH from she is doing her MCH from GPG.
Endocrine.
Endocrine. Yes, sir, endocrine.
Correct.
She has recommended that only Speed has to be taken. Why? Because the vast experience from the past 30 years is way much when compared to other apps. And I initially thought that, okay, anyone maybe of the same opinion. But now I've changed my opinion after preparation and after examination. And after the result, I think that this should be the only one app actually. I've seen many of my friends actually following many other apps, many other MCQ question banks actually. But I don't think so. There is a need of it. And only Speed enough is fine. See, completing all the Speed itself is vast. I don't think, because I myself couldn't complete that in a span of 6 months. So completing this itself is not enough. So I don't think taking a subscription of other apps and other question banks is not enough. And I should also thank Madam Dr. Spandana, because she has she told me that what is the preparation strategy for the examination. Thank you, ma'am.
She is great, because I remember taking interview for 2 times of thrice, because she used to choose what she wanted actually. She migrated from long way to get a rank number 1. So
yes, sir.
Such a great person she was. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And convey my regards to her. And also wholehearted wishes to you from the entire Speed team, and also from my side, to have a great career in neurosurgery that you wanted, in a very good place and a very institute, and a neurosurgeon in making. And any help that you require from academics in later in part of your career, you kindly feel free to ask us whatever we can be of a support to you. We'll always be a support to you. And also our wishes will always be there with you, and to see us you a great neurosurgeon in years to come, and making and to serve millions of people. God bless you, doctor.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.